Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to install Java JDK 19 in Windows 10. So friends, in this video we will see how to download and how to install Java JDK 19. Also we will create Java basics program. So let's start here how to download. So first of all friends, go to Google. So friend, in Google type here download Java, Oracle Java, okay, 19. So friends, you can see this link oracle.com Java download. Click here. Now friends, you can see Java 19 and Java 17 available now. So we have to download here Java 19. Okay. So in Java 19 you can see, just click here Java 19. So friends, you can see here Linux, Mac OS and Windows. So we have to download for Windows. Now click here on Windows. So now we have to download here installer image. Okay. So you can see 64-bit installer. Okay. So we have to download this. You can see this link here. We have to download this file. Just click here to download. Now it's downloading here. Okay, let it complete. So friends, you can see JDK file. Now friends, you can see we have downloaded this file. Now friends, just double click on it to start installation. Now double click here. Now click on yes. Now friends, you can see welcome to installation wizard. Okay, now click on next. Now you can see this is a path here. Okay, installation path. So friends, if you want to change path, you can change path from here. Okay, so I'm not going to change. Now click on next. Now it's installing here. Okay, let it complete it. Now friends, you can see successfully installed here. Okay, now click on close. Now friends, we have to define Java JDK installation path here in environment variable. So friend, we have to find a path where our Java installed. Now click here C drive, go to C drive. In C drive, click here to program files. Now go to Java. Now JDK 19. Now we have to select this path. You can see path is program file Java JDK 19. Right click and copy. Okay. Now go to environment variable. You can see environment variable. Now click on open here. See, open. Now friends, click on advanced. In advanced, environment variable. Now friends, we have to create new variable here. Okay, create new here. Type variable name Java _ home. Okay, now we have to paste path here which we have copied. So JDK 19. Okay, now click on OK. So you can see Java home, we have assigned this path. So we have defined this path in system variable. Okay, now friends, in step second, just double click on this path or edit. Okay, click here to edit. Now you can see. Now friends, we have to create new path here. Click on new. Okay, now do one thing, just click on bin and we have to copy this path. We have to add here /bin. Okay, copy and go to environment variable. Click on new. We have to define new path. Just right click and paste. So you can see C program files Java JDK 19 /bin. Okay. Now friends, again we have to go to. Now friends, we have to again define path here. Program files, common files, Oracle and Java path. Okay, Java path. Now friends, right click and copy this path here. Copy. Now go to, now friends we have to again click on new, then paste here, path here. Okay, so you can see we have defined two path here, slash JDK 19 slash bin and Oracle Java path. Okay, now click on OK, now click on OK, now click on OK. Now friends, again we have to check this path is defined or not. So again type here environment variable, click on open. So go to advanced and environment variable. So you can see we have defined Java home. Okay, in step 1, and step 2 we have defined here path. So we have defined two path, JDK-19 slash bin and Oracle Java path. Okay, now click on OK. Okay, okay. Now friends, we have installed it, and now we can verify and test its version. Now go to command prompt here, and now we can check here its version, Java -, version. Okay, so you can see Java 19.0. So you can see Java 19.0.1. Okay, we have installed it. So also we can check compiler version, Java compiler version. So to check Java compiler version, we have to run command here, Java C -, version. So you can see Java compiler version is also same. Okay, now friends, we can create Java basics program. Okay, now right click and we can create new folder like Java program. Just double click. Now friends, we can create new text file here. Okay, text, and we'll keep this name. Now friends, we will put here our file name. Okay, file name means TechNet guide. Okay, TechNet guide. Now click here. So you can see TechNet guide .java. Okay, so our extension, so friends, our extension will be .java. Okay, now click here. So you can see still our extension not changed here. So friends, you can see file type showing here text document. Now what we have to do, we have to just click on view and select here file extension. So you can see it's showing here .text. Okay, so now what we can do, we can just remove text. Now click here. Now you can see asking if you want to change it. Yes, I want to change. Now you can see file type is Java file. Okay, so friends, now what we can do, we have to just create program here. Click on edit. Okay, now we can create program here. Type here public. We have to call functions here. Our public class will be our file name. It should be same as our file name, TechNet _guide. Okay, now open it. Now again we have to public static void main. Okay, void main string as capital string bracket. Now args. Okay, close this bracket. Now open this. Okay, so it should be string in capital. Okay, now system .out .println. ln means it will be print in next line. Now type here welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet guide. Close. Okay, then colon. Okay, now close this. Okay, now friends, click on save here. Click on file and click on save. Okay, now we can run our program here. go to command prompt. Now we have to compile our program Java C TechNet _ guide.java. Press enter. Okay, so what we have to do? So friends, what we have to do? Just we have to go to its path here like cd. So you can see my file name path here. What path? cd users. Okay, so we'll show you its path here. cd user Rakesh desktop Java program. Okay, go to cd desktop, cd folder name Java program. Now we can run program here. Okay, Java C TechNet _ guide. Press enter. .java. Press enter. So you can see we have an error public. Okay, so what we have to do? Public. Wrong. Just press B. Now click on save here. Now we can again run this program. Enter. So now friends, you can see TechNet guide class has been created here, class file. Now it will take all the things. Now just we have to run this again program. Now only Java TechNet guide. Now press enter. So we can see our program is running or not. So you can see, welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet guide. So you have seen how to run this program here. Okay, so friends, let me show you how to create a program to print an integer value which is input by user. Okay, we will print an integer which is entered or input by user. So let me show you that program. So just remove this. Now here I can edit here. Now just remove this, and here what we can do, just scanner reader is equal to new scanner system.in. okay, column semicolon. Now system dot out dot print enter a number. Okay, now after enter number it will be print. Okay, so here we will print integer number is equal to reader dot next int colon. Okay, now we can print here your enter number is system out print ln. So we can do, just copy and paste here. Just type here ln to print in next line. Okay, just remove this. Here we can see your number is okay plus number. It will add our, it will print this, and plus it will show our number here. Okay, plus it will show number. Okay, now click on save here. Now friends, we can run again this program Java C Java TechNet.guide. Okay, now press enter. So we have seen multiple error is there. Spelling mistake here, system again spelling mistake. So click on save. Now again run this program. So you can see we have a two error. Scanner system.in symbol class scanner. You have to import here class import java dot util dot scanner. Okay, colon. Okay, Now click on save. Okay, now again, so you can see it's working here. Now we can check here, so you can see Java program. So you can see class updated here. Just remove this and we can run here Java program. Okay, so now enter number 5, enter. So you can see your number is 5 here. We can do one thing, enter number is, okay, your number is, okay. Now click on save. Again we have to compile this, compile and run. So now enter number 6, your number is 6. Okay, so friends, in this video we have seen how to install Java JDK in Windows 10. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.